Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find the best AI video generator between Pika Labs versus Runway Gen-3. If you're looking for the best AI video generator in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Runway is an AI video generation platform that makes creating amazing visuals surprisingly easy. You can generate videos from text prompts, images, or even your own video clips. They've got tons of cool AI tools to help you customize your creations. Think style transfer, image editing, and even 3D model generation. It's like having a whole production studio in your browser. There are tools that let you do incredible things like erase objects from videos, change the style of your footage, and even generate realistic images. You can see your changes instantly, no more waiting around, and you can seamlessly work on projects with your team. All the plans will be billed annually. Basic, $0/month. Standard, $12/month. Pro, $28/month. Unlimited, $76/month. Enterprise, contract their site for custom pricing. Pika Labs is all about speed and simplicity. You can generate videos from text or images in seconds. Seriously, seconds. They focus on making AI video creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. Pika Labs is known for its user-friendly interface and its ability to create high-quality videos with minimal effort. You can create videos in as little as 15 seconds, easily create and share videos in popular formats, and you can get inspiration and support from other users. Pika Labs offers a generous free plan and affordable paid options. Basic, $0 free 150 monthly video credits, access to Pika 1.5 standard, $8 per month for 700 monthly video credits, access to Pika 1.5 and 1.0 Pro, $28 per month for 2,000 monthly video credits, access to Pika 1.5 and 1.0 Fancy, $76 per month for unlimited monthly video calls, access to Pika 1.5 and 1.0 Runway's image-to-video transformation feature allows you to animate still images with impressive precision. Pika Labs simplifies image animation with intuitive controls and text prompts. You can bring your images to life with a few clicks, but you have less fine-grained control over the animation process compared to Runway. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.